Yo, welcome back for the trade of the day. And today we've got a big one here on AMC. Look, everyone's searching for AMC. I think we got a good stock here. Obviously doing big volume. Had some nice volume kicking off in the morning as well. Not as much as we're used to, but when this happens, you got to find key levels. And I think we got one at 50. I mean, there's no better level than 50 even. I love 50s, 100s, anything that's that dime, 60, 40, things like that. And we had that early on AMC. And really, just one trade here for me today. We'll talk about some of these. The trade I really want to focus on is the one we took in the pre-market, right? And again, we liked it so much. There's 4 fills here. So there's 4 fills in the pre-market right here on AMC, and they're all at that 50 level. So we actually had no real upside targets. We actually wrote down on our sticky note that we were looking at 55 as a target, which would have been exactly right. But however, we get in and out real quick here off the open on AMC, and let's just discuss why. It's very, very simple. When you look to the downside, I'm going to switch over to this. There isn't much support here at all. Last Friday, back and forth, choppy, not much happening. We talk about there's the 50 high, and then there's the 46.50 low. So you're in a range here, you know, back and forth, roughly 10% back and forth in here. I don't really like any of those levels. If anything, I'm waiting to get out at 46.50 of this break. But we didn't really have to worry about any downside moves because as soon as we got in, it just kept going up. Now, we were probably going to get out of this around this pre-market low of 48, 48.50, something like that, if we were to break these levels. And then we would look to get longer at 46 and change. But that doesn't have to come into play because it never happens. So here we go, long, and then there's the exact 50 break. So we start getting a little bit longer here, 49.80. We average in, we take the 50 break, we take some more 49 and change, and then we like the 50 quarters. So this is the thing. If 50 breaks and it doesn't go, that's what happens right here. It breaks and hovers, goes down about 40, 50 cents, allows us to get longer. Then when we get a confirmation break, so it goes up about a quarter, we get more shares. And then look where it comes back down to 50, right on the nose again. Nothing to worry about. And then it's liftoff, guys. So our first out, 50 and a quarter. Good out, could have reloaded, should have. Then 50 half, then it's upside, and eventually you hold on. This is how I trade everything. Obviously on AMC, I need to have these high ends be diamonds a little bit longer and take everything out at that 55 level that we called. But again, you know, in 4 times, so we already have about a full position for us. The first time we get in is about 20, 30%. Then you average in, and then this break right here is actually a full lot that I wanted at that 50 and a quarter. So on the way up, bang, bang, and out there at 52, and then you hold about 20 to 25% for that moonshot long right there. And then you get a more retracement and then bang, breaking up to the upside. So here we go, AMC today. Sometimes it's very simple. You don't need to do much research. You just look for key price levels. And right here, 50 was about as key as it had. It held all pre-market on decent volume. So for me, that's a trigger in. And it was smooth sailing to the upside after this AMC move. You know, nothing in the way. Now you're getting barcoding again. So we'll see what happens. Watch to see if it holds this 53 level here in the afternoon. But you can join us every single day on TraderTV.Live, where Neil, myself, and Brendan will discuss various opportunities like this. Today it's pretty easy here on AMC. No one really getting long got hurt on this. So good trade there. Wish we had the hands, but we'll take it. It's a nice trade. Put your comments below. Let me know what you thought of this AMC trade.